Hello everyone, tie half of the hairs and then rotate it using this hairstyling tool. After that, divide the hairs into two parts, make the plaits on it and fix it on the top using a rubber band like this, and it's ready. Next, we will fix this beautiful hair accessory on the hairs. Now to fix the ribbons, we will make the plaits on the hairs. Take the hairs from the sides one by one to fix it properly. Keep taking the hairs, watch the video till the end and then make the plaits and it's ready. Next, take small section of the hairs in the front like this, make the plaits on it. Now take another small section of the hairs, join them together like this and then we will tie the hairs all together. After that, make the plaits on it, fold it and it's ready. Next, divide the hairs like this and join it on the back to make a butterfly. Now roll it upward to make a bun using this hairstyling tool. Fold it and spread the hairs from the sides and it's ready. Take small section of the hairs like this in the front, divide them and then rotate it like this. After that, now we will fix it on the top as shown in the video. Make a heart-like shape. Now we will take another section of the hairs, make the plaits on it, join them together, fold it and it's ready. Next, we will divide the hairs in the front, take small section of the hairs from it, make the plaits on it. Now take another section of the hairs, join them together like this. Keep making the designs as we are doing in this video. After that, we will join all the hairs on the back, make the plaits and fold it upward to make a bun and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and then rotate it like this. Divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits on it from the sides. Take the hairs from the sides and the back as well. Join them like this. Keep making the plaits, watch the video till the end and follow each steps along. After we are done with these steps, we will follow the same step for the other side as well. After we are done with the plaits on both the sides, fix a beautiful hair accessory on the top and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides and tie it like this. Now take the hairs on the back, tie it as shown in the video, rotate it using this hairstyling tool. After that, divide them into two parts, make the plaits and make a heart shape on the back. Join all the hairs and it's ready. Next, comb the hairs properly as shown in the video and tie them into small sections using the rubber bands. At the end, we will join all the hairs together, tie it and fold it upward and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs into small sections and then rotate it on the back. Now fix this ribbon on the hair. Now to fix the ribbon, we will make the plaits on the hairs on the sides. After that, we will join all the hairs as shown in the video, tie a bow on the top and it's ready. Thanks for watching.